Dozens of Tarrant County parents face time in jail for not paying child support. The most delinquent parents were rounded up early this morning by county constables.
Some fathers who have already been to court are now on probation and taking a class designed to make them better fathers. CBS 11's Mark Johnson explains.
Eric Benet's love and life is spending time with his daughter Ariel. It hasn't always been this easy.
When you challenge me and say, look, Eric, it's not about you, it's not about Cynthia, it's about your daughter.
Delinquent child support payments forced Benet into probation and into a court-ordered class which changed his life.
I was taking my anger out on her. Man, she get the child support, I'm barely making, I don't have nothing coming in this week. Ooh, that irritates me. But then I look, that little girl is heaven.
Our past has a bigger effect on us than we think sometimes.
The mandatory class is called Focus. Over the past 6 years, more than 500 delinquent dads have been through the 10-week program.
Our class is not a child support payment class. The class is Focus, Fathers Offering Children Unfailing Support. What can a dad do to maximize his influence?
The idea is to give these men the tools to become better fathers.
Those first 3 weeks of this class are really what we call damage assessment. Let's just look at where we are right now.
As a probation officer, it's great to have this kind of resource to send people to, and then to hear the feedback not only from them but from their, the mother of the child saying that it's been something that's helped them and helped their child.
He stepped up a whole lot, and that way it opens us up to being good friends as well. We're very good co-parents.
And my daughter, she said, Daddy, you changed. And it made me like emotional to cry because, I had so much anger, and she said, Daddy, I love you. She said, you need to go to class more.
Mark Johnson, CBS 11 News.